This is the 2024 Honda Accord Hybrid, and in today's Vehicle Visionary video, I'm going to show you how to change the on-screen color of the Accord that is on your screen. Now, you're going to notice that it's already changed right here. It's not white like it normally is. How did I do that? I went up here to Menu, and then I went to Body Color. I don't know why Honda put that where they did. It's not something you're going to find on purpose. Well, until now. But you can see you have all of the different available colors for the Accord Hybrid right here on your screen. So depending on the color of your Accord, well, that's how you get to do it. You change it right here. Very simple, and you can change it to whatever color you might want. You might not like to have the same color as your model has on it. You might want something lighter or darker. Well, there you go. That's how easy it is to do that. Tell me if you knew about this before you watched my video. And if you would like to see any additional tutorials on any other vehicle, whether it's a Honda Accord or something else, tell me down in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you, please hit the like button. That helps me out a lot. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And if you would like to learn about additional vehicles you may wish to consider purchasing, check out the video that's on the screen right now, and I'll see you there.